Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. The hotel is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find random reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. To get a view of facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box.